I found you the same way I found Venice, lost in the skein of her back alleys, secret gardens, shadowy passageways, a pleasant discovery at every turn. You too were a city of bridges, of limitless connection to my heart, which floated like a palazzo on the Adriatic, kept afloat by the spells you cast in your sleep. Yes, you are this mystical city in microcosm, a serene Vitruvian woman, truest measure of man, sipping your espresso in Piazza San Marco, and then, but slowly, vanishing. So we are gathered here today to celebrate the union of Drew and Barbara into the bond of marriage and to bear witness to the transforming power of their love. Marriage is a gift given to us so that we might experience the joys of unconditional love with a lifelong partner. Marriage is an intimate relationship between two people mentally, emotionally, physically, and spiritually.
How you doing?
We'll cry because he's getting married.
Okay, now
No, I actually like it.
May your marriage bring you all the exquisite excitements a marriage should bring, and may life grant you patience, tolerance, and understanding. May you always need one another, not so much to fill your emptiness as to help you know your fullness. As you know, a mountain needs a valley to be complete. The valley doesn't make the mountain less, but instead it makes it more. The valley is more a valley because the mountain towers over it. So let it be with the two of you. May you need one another, but not out of weakness. May you want one another, but not out of lack. May you entice one another, but not compel one another. May you succeed in all important ways with one another and not fail in the little graces. May you look for things to praise and often say I love you and take no notice of the small faults. May you have happiness and may you find it in one another and make one another happy. And may you have love and may you find love in loving one another.
Do you, Andrew, take this woman, Barbara, to be your wife? Do you promise to love her and keep her, forsaking all others, so long as you both shall live?
I do.
And do you, Barbara, take this man, Andrew, to be your husband? Do you promise to love him and keep him, forsaking all others, so long as you both shall live?
Che voglia.
And so, Barbara and Andrew, if you will love each other unconditionally, your companionship as husband and wife will blossom into spiritual, emotional, and physical closeness behind which nothing can compare. Congratulations, Andrew. You may finally kiss your bride.
This may be more than a few words. First of all, I'd like to thank everybody for coming here to celebrate such a beautiful event in such a magical place. It doesn't get much better than this. It's virtually impossible. I know we all have friends and family who wish could be here, for one reason or another could not. Including my own two boys, Paulie's kids. And I'd like to give a hats off to Kevin for coming here, and who had to drudge through traveling craziness. So thank you, Kevin, for being here. Chris as well, two of Drew's closest friends. The day Drew was born, I was 11, and I was at a friend's house. And just like E.T., literally flew home on my bike when I heard the news. Words cannot explain the joy of having another male in a house with 4 crazy females. My mother, sitting right there, her mother, Nanny, the vicar, right, Paulie, and 2 very gorgeous sisters, Lisa and Laura, and even a female misfit dog, Daisy. Remember Daisy used to walk sideways and stuff? Well, we all know Drew has changed over the years, and not just the blonde Hermie flip when he was working in the Cayman Islands, but in many spiritual, sometimes painful revelations and truths. Andrew, the 10, and I'm sorry it's so long. And what better example of your true character and your reward in life by having Barbara roll into your life that sunny afternoon in Central Park. Barbara, you are equally generous and selfless. You are non-judgmental, loving, and kind. I am so happy you are in my brother's life. You are truly his guiding light. To my brother, my friend, my new sister, I wish you all the love, life, laughter there is from this day forward. And never forget where you came from, and the universe is yours.
Dear Drew, a few words to welcome you in my family. I wish I could tell you so many things. However, emotion and mainly language barriers limit me slightly. I wish to tell you that I love you and I think highly of you because I have learned to appreciate you through my daughter Barbara. Wishing you to be happy together for your entire life.